It's for your ride to the hospital.
Yeah. For your birthday, Kayleigh.
What?
You go in style. How do I do that? Okay.
Yeah, top up.
You found it.
Okay.
Okay.
You did?
Yeah. Okay, Mom, give Kayleigh.
Smile.
Smile.
Smile. Smile. Look at Mom.
Have you ever ridden in a limo before, Kayleigh?
Yeah, I have.
Oh, no big deal.
Okay. So Kayleigh,
Here's your birthday card.
here's your birthday card. Happy birthday, sweetheart. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Okay.
What's in there?
I don't know.
Let's see.
What is in it?
Let's see.
Gotta read the card first, Kayleigh.
Okay, read the card first.
Jesus.
Read it.
What does it say?
Baby, baby, oh. Happy birthday, Kayleigh, youth, mean Kayleigh. I think you're going to roar.
What does that mean? You're gonna roar? What does that mean?
Don't say, can I take it?
That's the eye of a tiger.
Don't say.
You're gonna hear me.
Hey, Debbie.
This is your ticket? What is Selena? Katy Perry?
We are going to Katy Perry right now, Kayleigh.
What?
You don't have a doctor's appointment.
You don't have a doctor's appointment?
Yes! This is all set up!
And taking pictures to send to Dad as we speak.
This is all set up?
Yeah.
That's a no-go!
Happy birthday. Okay, breathe.
Oh my!
Breathe, breathe.
Thank you!
Happy birthday! Aw. Oh, Jesus.
That's a no, that's a no though. I changed his mind.
Well, we wanted to surprise you, honey.
So he changed his mind?
So no doctor's appointment.
This is awesome. Just say no was a surprise.
Yes, we totally surprised you, didn't we?
Oh my.
Okay. You're gonna make me cry. Okay.
Jesus. Are you excited, Kel?
I'm gonna get a t-shirt there. I'm gonna get something.
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna get a t-shirt.
We will get you something as a memory of going to Katy Perry. Yeah.
I always wanted to go see Katy Perry.
Oh.
I got this. Oh my God. I listen to her. Shake it, Adam. Hey, Adam, pay for it too?
It's from everybody.
Oh, we paid for it too?
Yes. Yeah, we all.
Chipped in?
We're all in the secret. Yes.
I was going to think I was going to give him 10,000 kisses.
Yeah.
Kayleigh.
Wow, I'm dreaming a lot.
And then the limo ride is especially from your brother Jacob.
What's that saying?
Yeah, I know.
What's he saying?
Yeah, there you go.
Thanks.
To the camera, Kel.
Hey, Dad!
Okay, here we go.